Hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn this type of trending text animation in After Effects. So let's get started. First we type here. Then we go to the animate, and choose a position. Then we go to the add-on selector, we choose wiggle. In the wiggle sector we change the sum value. You are doing the same as I do. And it's done. Let's move on second effects. We go to the animate and choose a position, then we add a scale and rotation. Then we change the value of scale 0%. Rotation is 3 times. So we open range selector, and go to the advanced. We changed some values, you are doing the same as I do. And we add a wiggle expiration on text. In this previous effect, we are doing the same as it is. And it's done. We successfully create text animation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for amazing tutorials and upcoming updates.